Ever wondered how something that brings so much comfort and relief is actually made? Today, we're going behind the scenes into a massive factory to see the birth of an electric adjustable bed designed specifically for pain relief. It all starts here with these stacks of raw, mild steel tubes. This is the very foundation, the skeleton of the bed frame that will soon support you. Precision is everything. Before any cuts are made, every dimension is meticulously marked out. Workers use digital calipers to ensure each measurement is accurate down to the millimeter. There's no room for error when we're talking about your comfort and safety. Look at the raw, uncoated texture of the steel, pure industrial strength, ready to be transformed. Now, for the magic, these tubes are loaded onto a state-of-the-art CNC laser cutting machine. A laser guide projects the exact outline of the bed frame, like a digital blueprint brought to life. Then, the cutting begins, with a brilliant flash of light and a shower of sparks. The high-powered laser slices through the steel with incredible precision. It's a mesmerizing dance of light and power, shaping the raw material into the components of our adjustable bed. Each piece is cut perfectly, every single time. As the sections are cut, they slide onto a conveyor belt, beginning their journey down the assembly line. It's like watching a complex puzzle come together piece by piece. These individual parts are then carefully placed into a heavy-duty welding jig. This holds them in the exact position needed for the next crucial step. Enter the robots. A robotic MIG welding arm swings into action, its movements swift and precise. It creates perfectly smooth, strong welds, fusing the steel parts together. The intense orange glow from the welding process illuminates the entire frame, revealing the strength being forged within. This automated process ensures every joint is flawless, providing the durability and reliability you need for years of pain relief. Finally, the completed frame is born. A massive overhead crane gently lifts the newly welded structure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to see more amazing manufacturing processes. Have you ever wondered what goes into making the perfect night's sleep? It's not magic, it's engineering, and it all starts right here inside this factory, where we build electric adjustable beds designed for ultimate pain relief. The journey begins with these humble stacks of raw, mild steel tubes. They might not look like much now, but they are the future backbone of your comfort. Before any cutting happens, precision is key. Every single tube is meticulously measured. We use digital calipers to ensure the dimensions are absolutely perfect, down to the last millimeter. Look closely at the raw, uncoated surface of the steel. This is the pure, strong foundation upon which we build. These tubes are then carefully placed onto the bed of our state-of-the-art CNC laser cutting machine. A red laser guide projects the exact outline of the bed frame, like a digital blueprint on steel. And then the real action begins. The laser head ignites, slicing through the metal with incredible precision. Sparks fly in a mesmerizing dance, a fiery testament to the power of technology shaping raw material. In slow motion, you can see each spark cascade onto the factory floor. Once the cuts are complete, the newly formed frame sections slide gracefully onto a conveyor belt. It's like an assembly line of puzzle pieces, each one perfectly crafted to fit. Now it's time to bring them all together. The steel parts are locked into a heavy welding jig, holding them in the exact position for what comes next. A robotic MIG welding arm awakens, its movements swift and deliberate. We get up close to witness the molten weld joints forming, creating a bond that is both seamless and incredibly strong. The intense orange glow from the welding process illuminates the entire frame, a symbol of strength being forged. Once the welding is complete, the finished steel frame is lifted by an overhead crane. As the camera pans along its structure, you can see the transformation is almost complete. From simple tubes to a robust articulated frame, the heart of the adjustable bed is now ready. Have you ever wondered what goes into making a bed that can truly change your life? Today, we're retaking you behind the scenes for an exclusive look at the intricate process of creating a state-of-the-art electric adjustable bed designed specifically for pain relief. It all starts with the electrical heart of the bed. We begin with a close-up look at the insulated wiring harness, the central nervous system that will bring the bed to life. Each wire is carefully selected and shielded for maximum safety and durability. Watch as our skilled technician expertly routes these cables along the sturdy steel frame channels. You can hear the satisfying snap as the cable clips lock securely into the metal holders, ensuring every wire is neatly organized and protected from wear and tear. Next, the brain of the operation, the control box. This compact unit is mounted discreetly under the bed frame. Here's a closer look at the clearly labeled ports on the control unit. Precision is key as our technician meticulously connects the motor wires. Every connection is double-checked to guarantee flawless communication between the remote and the motors. Then, the power supply is connected, and a small LED indicator lights up, signaling that the system is live and ready. The final touch is attaching the user-friendly handheld remote to its convenient holster on the side rail. Now, for the moment of truth, the technician presses a button on the remote, and just like that, the magic happens. The backrest begins to lift in a slow, controlled motion. From a side angle, you can appreciate the smooth, graceful elevation. As the backrest rises, the leg section also adjusts automatically, creating the perfect zero-gravity position to alleviate pressure on the spine. Let's zoom in on the actuator. See how it moves without any shaking or stuttering, even under load. This is the hallmark of superior engineering. The only sound is the quiet, reassuring hum of the powerful motors. As we pan from the elevated headrest down to the footrest, the bed's clean, medical-grade aesthetic is clear. This isn't just a piece of furniture. It's a sophisticated piece of technology built with one goal in mind: your comfort and well-being. This is where advanced manufacturing meets life-changing comfort. A bed designed not just for sleep, but for genuine relief and a better quality of life. Thanks for joining us on this factory tour. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more behind-the-scenes content. See you next time. Have you ever woken up with more aches and pains than when you went to bed? It's a frustrating cycle, isn't it? You spend all night tossing and turning, trying to find that one comfortable position, only to wake up feeling stiff and unrested. What if I told you that the key to unlocking a truly restorative night's sleep isn't just about the mattress, but the entire sleep system? Introducing the next generation of comfort and care, the electric adjustable bed meticulously designed for pain relief. Our journey begins with the final assembly, where precision engineering meets thoughtful design. Every component is crafted to work in perfect harmony. The foundation of this incredible sleep experience is our multi-layer foam mattress. Watch as it's perfectly placed onto the sturdy, adjustable frame. This isn't just any foam. Get a closer look at this incredible texture. It's a high-density memory foam, engineered to cradle your body, contouring to every curve and relieving pressure points in your shoulders, back, and hips. Imagine sinking into this after a long day. Safety and stability are paramount. That's why we use durable ABS plastic side rails that lock securely into place, providing peace of mind throughout the night. Once fully assembled, you can see the complete system, a blend of modern aesthetics and therapeutic function. It's more than a bed. It's your personal sanctuary for recovery. But how does it perform under real-world conditions? We put it to the test. Here, we're placing a 150-kilogram test dummy onto the bed. Now, watch this. With the simple touch of a button, the bed adjusts smoothly and quietly, effortlessly lifting and reclining even under a significant load. Notice the close-up on the frame joints. They remain completely stable and secure, a testament to our robust construction. Quality is not just a promise, it's a process. Our dedicated quality inspector meticulously checks every detail, from the wiring labels to the motor connections. Nothing is overlooked. Only after passing our rigorous checklist does the bed earn its seal of approval before it leaves our facility. Each bed is carefully cleaned and wiped down. We then wrap it in protective foam to ensure it arrives at your home in pristine condition. It's securely placed inside our branded carton, sealed, labeled, and ready for its new home. From our factory floor to your bedroom, every step is handled with the utmost care. This is the finished product. An electric adjustable bed designed not just for sleep, but for healing. It's engineered for pain relief and unparalleled comfort. It's time to stop just sleeping and start truly resting. Elevate your comfort, relieve your pain, and rediscover what a great night's sleep feels like. Click the link to learn more and transform your nights. Thanks for watching.